Alright guys, so it's been a while since I made a video, but I'm gonna give you a quick rundown on everything that's happened. Um, I don't really know exactly what the last thing I filmed was. So, Speedmaster 20-gallon fuel cell. I made these custom mounts for it. You tell I just welded around there. And what I did is, so it's all stainless steel. I just took a couple pieces of straight 1" by 1/8" thick stainless steel, and then I pieced those together, welded them, grind them smooth. Did that on all four corners. Then I took 1" square stainless steel tubing, and then of course I just brought a piece up, 45'd it, then 45 this piece, shot across to the front. Did the same thing up there. Then so this fuel cell, I'm doing this real quick just because this ain't the main point of the video. But this fuel cell is all AN fittings, so it has 10 AN return, 10 AN vent, and then two 10 AN supply lines. So I had 10 AN is just too big for my application, so I'm running 8 AN, so I had to buy reducers. And then so 8 AN, and then if we go down here, dual into a single 8 AN, and then it goes along the frame rail into fuel filter, then a fuel pump, then another fuel filter, and then all the way up to the front. And then of course I got the return coming back, and I just ran it up. And if we come around to the front, this is what that looks like. So it is 8 AN coming up into a hyperfuel pressure regulator, and then the return going down, and then that will be the outlet. And you can see I got a little spot for a fuel pressure gauge, so that way I'll be able to tell how much fuel pressure I'm running, because it's going to be a carbureted system, and that fuel pressure regulator can regulate fuel pressure down between 3 to 15 psi, and it has a spot for a vacuum boost reference, which of course I'm not going to use because mine's not going to be boosted. But yeah, so I did that, and then trying to think. I ran some battery cables. Climb up in here real quick. So I ran some battery cables through the bed, and I still gotta, put the negative on the frame and then run the positive up to the starter. But I don't even have a starter yet, so it's not on the things to do list. What is on the thing to do list today is the exhaust. So I wanted to run some 90s out of them, just so that way they wasn't just blowing straight back. This wasn't the original plan for the exhaust, but yeah, I mean, it is what it is. So all this is 304 stainless steel that I TIG welded together. It's not perfect, but it's good enough. And then I'm just indexing these. So what it looks like is I'm sorry about the lighting, but yeah, so I'm just gonna get these indexed the way I want, and then I'm gonna set y'all up on a time lapse, and I'm gonna tack it all together, and we're gonna knock that out. But yeah, bring y'all back in a minute. All right, so weld up those 90 degrees on the end of the exhaust, and oh, so here is the exhaust running down, and that's the 90s weld on there, and on the other side you can see more there, same way. And yeah, I'm sorry that I haven't been putting out videos, but life has kind of been taking over a little bit, and sometimes, you know, whenever stuff like that's happening, you just want to, you know, you're just trying to knock things out as quick as possible just to get things done. And you don't really think about making videos or anything like that. So you just kind of lose track, and you just start knocking stuff out. And yeah, that's what was happening to me. Kind of wasn't really making videos. Like whenever I bought the battery cables and put the ends on and drilled the holes through the wood, or like whenever I was drilling the holes for the return line or running any of this AN line and all that stuff, I didn't even video me getting new pegs for the motorcycle and putting those on. None of that stuff. So yeah, but I'm trying to get back into it. So this is just going to be the end of the video for the 90s. And then the next video is probably going to be me changing the bars on this motorcycle. So more to come on that later. But yeah, hopefully I'll see y'all next time. And subscribe, like, share, and y'all have a nice day.